Hey, the weather pattern is going to stay active. We've got another storm coming on Sunday, one that isn't really going to reestablish the cold for us, thankfully. It's cold, wet rain showers moving through the Albuquerque metro with snow around the edges of this. Some wet snow is trying to mix in with little success on Albuquerque's west side. Only got the high at 44 today. Most of the showers fall early. It's both rain and snow. Into the afternoon, we'll still have some snow showers across the northern mountains. Temperatures only in the 30s today for places like Taos and Las Vegas. Saturday serving as a break in the action for most of us. There'll be fresh snow at our ski areas. Should be a dynamite day to do your winter recreation, but chilly with 30s and 40s. Now let's look ahead towards Sunday, and already just after midnight Saturday night, we'll be tracking some snow into western New Mexico, getting into Albuquerque before daybreak Sunday and continuing for a good chunk of the day, wrapping up during the afternoon and evening. Albuquerque points to the west and north. At this point, we can't rule out a 1 to 3 inch snowfall occurring on Sunday. Monday, only a 45-degree high temperature, but by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you can see we trend back up towards 50 degrees each afternoon. Todd?